What's up, my YouTube family? It's your girl, and we are back for another video. If you want to be part of the G Squad, all you have to do is click that subscribe button. Click it. Click it. Make sure you hit the notification bell. Click all on the notification bell so that you are notified every time we upload a new video. Now, on today's video, we are making an Oreo Bundt Cake. Here are the ingredients. The ingredients are 1 white cake mix. I'm using Duck & Heinz. You can use whatever you want. And you can even make this from scratch if you like. But I'm shortcutting it today because I got other things to do. 1 cake mix. And you're going to use 1 box of instant Oreo pudding, which is right here. And you are also going to use some sour cream, which I have back here, just a cup of sour cream. And it calls for 3/4 of a cup of vegetable oil, but I kind of make this my own. So I have like 1/4 of a cup of regular canola oil, and then I filled this cup the rest of the way with melted butter. Okay, up to the 3/4 cup. Actually, I'm at a cup right now, so up to that level of just melted butter. Then you've got 4 large eggs, which we have right here, and this is room temperature eggs. And we're gonna have a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Here's my imitation vanilla. I've got some, and here's my teaspoon here. And then we have some crushed Oreos for garnish. We're going to use some of these Oreos in the cake, and then we're going to use some for the garnish. And so here is what I used for the Oreos. I used about, this has 6 in a pack, so probably have like 18 cookies crushed up here in this freezer bag right here. All right, so let's get started. So one thing I forgot to mention is that the recipe calls for 3/4 cup of water. I don't use water in my cakes. I always replace the water with the milk. So I'm using some carnation milk, evaporated milk. Whatever store-bought can that you have would work just fine as long as it's evaporated milk. So we're going in with our 1 box of cake mix, white cake mix. We're also going to go in with our, and the package of Oreo mix, this Oreo pudding mix, this is a 4.2 ounces. So it's a little larger. Oh, actually, that's what the recipe calls for, a 4.2 ounce. So I'm gonna show that to you again. It's the 4.2 ounce of Oreo cookies and cream pudding mix, instant pudding mix. But there we go, and it's got some little cookies up in there. So that's going in the bowl. The next thing that's going in the bowl is our milk. Of course, it calls for the water. And this calls for 3/4 of a cup. We're gonna go in with our milk. That's about 3/4 of a cup. And we're gonna go in with our oil and butter mixture. I'll leave a little bit there because I went over. And we're also gonna go in with our sour cream, which is asking for a cup of sour cream. So we definitely are going to eyeball that. Let me give it a mix. Okay, we'll do about a cup of that. I'm just doing a couple big tablespoons. Then we're gonna do our vanilla. And it just calls for 1 teaspoon of the vanilla. Drop that in there. And then we're gonna get our eggs popping. We've got 4 large eggs. They are room temperature. This is almost like a dump cake. You're just dumping everything in. All right. So what I'm going to do here is we're going to beat this on a medium speed until everything is completely combined. There is your mixture right there. And then we'll do this. Add in, we're going to fold in or spoon in or however you want to say it. I'm going to put in some Oreos. Just a few Oreos are going in. And then I have some left over for decoration, of course, at the end. And then we're just going to fold this in. So we are back. This is the Bundt pan that I prefer to use. I think it's very pretty. It's I don't know, it almost kind of looks like a flower or a vortex or something like that. But it is by Nordicware. If you guys want to know where I got this Bundt pan, I got this Bundt pan from Amazon. And if we remember, I'll try to leave a link in the description box to show you. It does have a little weight on it, so but it's good. I've used it once and I really liked how it came out. We're gonna be covering this with Baker's Joy. You guys know Baker's Joy is a baking spray that has flour in it. So kind of keep us from having to do the whole old school way. Now with this pan, I try to make sure I get in the cracks and in the crevices and make sure you want to get around the edge. And to me, you can't have too much because you just don't want part of your cake coming out and the other part staying in the pan. Ain't nobody got time for that. So I just spread and make sure that we're good to go. And we are. It is definitely greased. But I bet you my cake slip out. Ain't nobody got time. It's go slip out. All right. So I'm gonna take this and just kind of spoon it in. Here is our Oreo Bundt Cake. It's going in the oven, 350 degrees for 55 minutes. We'll be back to show you the end results. So we are back and we have flipped over our Oreo Bundt Cake. Let's see where we're going here. And there you have it. It is a tad darker than I want, but it still looks good. It's nice and soft, and we're going to put together some icing for it real quick and we'll be right back. So I just made some just a little powdered sugar drizzle with powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla flavoring in here. And I'm just gonna drizzle it. Drizzle it all over it, however you want. I am not a cake decorator or a baker of any sort, so you make sure and do it to your liking. So I'm gonna take some, it kind of looks just like a chocolate, a chocolate Oreo cake, but we'll see. But I'm gonna take these Oreo cookies that we had crushed up earlier over the top. And just sprinkle them on there. And there you have it. Make sure that you click that like button. Make sure you click the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. And we enjoyed you guys today. We hope that you all have a very Merry Christmas and a wonderful New Year. See you on the next video.
Thank you all for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Join the G Squad. This is the best cooking channel on YouTube. Make sure you try out these recipes and you post them on our social media sites, and make sure you tag us. And we will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.